Hey guys, thank you for joining us with another tour with the CQ Real Estate Group located in Rancho, New Mexico. This home is at 931 Spring Valley Road, located in the northern Meadows subdivision. The home is featuring about 2,500 square feet. You have 4 bedrooms, possible 5. Let's go ahead and take a tour of this house and see what it has to offer.
So once you enter this beautiful home, you will immediately notice the formal dining area. It has pass-throughs into the rest of the living areas of the house, so you're really included into every part of the home on this first floor. And that leads right into this huge living room. You have luxury vinyl flooring and so much natural light. It leads right into the kitchen where Joseph is going to let you know what's going on in there.
Yeah, and Rachel, I just love how they have this center island right in between the living area and the kitchen space. You can do your food prep here, still be engaging with the family as you're entertaining and guests. And then you also have this large L-shaped countertop. You have a solid surface top on both with stainless steel appliances, stainless steel sink, plenty of cabinet space. You have the double oven here as well as the stainless steel fridge. And Nicole, what else do we have over here?
Right over here, you're gonna have an eat-in kitchen space. As you can see, there are several windows surrounding it, so you're gonna have a ton of natural light. Off here to your right, you have an onset counter space where you can use it as a coffee bar. Just outside of your patio doors, you have a great space for entertaining in your backyard. You are gonna have AstroTurf as well as a fire pit, several raised flower beds, and a good-sized storage shed, as well as a large backyard access opportunity.
Before heading up the stairs, you're gonna see you have a half bath here with linen closet, as well as a great storage area underneath the stairwell. So as you come up onto the stairs, you come up onto a good sized common area landing. Right alongside the landing, you're gonna have bedrooms, and we'll get to that here in a minute, but let's start off with the primary bedroom. As you walk into the primary bedroom, you'll see that you have 2 windows, one's facing east and one's facing north, as well as a walk-in closet. The bedroom has an ample amount of space right alongside the primary bath, which also has a marble shower surround, as well as a linen closet and an updated vanity.
Over here, you're gonna have your 2 bedrooms, both with walk-in closets, and don't forget that all of the bedrooms do have brand new carpet. Over here, you're gonna have a full bathroom, which has marble shower surround, as well as a marble countertop. And then coming just a little bit further, you're gonna have a linen closet, and then off to your left, you're going to have your 4th bedroom.
And right above that 4th bedroom, you're gonna have your attic access, and to the right, a large laundry room which has a solid countertop surface in there, which makes it a little more convenient. And honestly, at the very end of this hallway is the coolest feature. It's a huge bonus room that either can be a 5th bedroom opportunity, a really large office, a gym, a playroom. The opportunities in here are pretty endless. It is a large room and it has a ton of windows for lots of natural light.
We are so grateful you guys stuck around with us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching.
As a reminder, we are the CQ Real Estate Group. We are a real estate team here in Albuquerque, New Mexico that is passionate about our city.
Please like, follow, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Take care, God bless.